everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a bi-monthly subscription box to share with you, and it is the Natural Wellness box. This is how it arrives in the post. I've just ripped my label off the front there. So as always, if you're new to the Natural Wellness box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this July and August box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to click forward. So this is a bi-monthly subscription box, costs £35 every other month, based in the UK, and there's free shipping within the UK, but they do send to Europe for an additional £9.95, as well as a rolling bi-monthly box which you can cancel any time. They do offer a 6 and 12 month subscription as well, plus a one-off box which will cost you £37. All items in the box are cruelty free and vegan, and inside you'll receive between 5 to 7 products. Their aim is to make you feel healthy and beautiful from the inside out, and all their skincare is clean. Now I love this box. I've been receiving it now since last year, and I do really look forward to receiving this. This is a PR box. They do send it to me for free, so I'm able to show you and tell you all about it, but all thoughts and opinions remain my own. But yeah, it's just a little bit different. I would say it's quite a niche box, so it might not be suitable for everyone. But if you're interested in receiving a different kind of subscription box and contains everything related to wellness, then I definitely recommend you check it out. So let's get on to showing you what I received inside. Inside we get a little leaflet here, and it tells you everything about the products, and it gives you the cost as well, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you the overall value. And I haven't had a look inside yet. I wanted it to be a surprise. This is how it arrives. Packaged up beautifully, and yeah, you can tell that everything is all individually packaged in there. We've got a little card, it's relating to a product inside the box. There, we've got more of an idea of the items there. So this is the Summer Self-Care Collection. It says enjoy luxury summer self-care rituals in the comfort of your own home. And there's 7 items inside this box. So the first item is a jar. It's by the brand Isla Apothecary, and this is lemongrass and rosemary renewing foot treatment with castor oil and pumice stone. And there's 300 grams here. Oh wow, wow, foot treatment. Oh! Look at that! Oh, it smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it's the lemongrass. Is it lemongrass? Is that what I can smell? Yeah. Oh, it's lovely. It just smells like a nice spa. But look at that. Makes me want to put my hands in there. Oh, go on then. That is so nice. I've received a few foot creams over the last month or two, but having something like this is a little bit different. So what can I tell you about it? Exfoliate, rejuvenate and deodorize parched and neglected feet by sloughing away dead skin cells and restoring moisture. Massage into the soles, heels and balls of your feet, concentrating on dry and hardened skin. Rinse well with warm water. So it says here, Isla Apothecary lemongrass and rosemary renewing foot treatment will cost you £21. And then it goes into telling you what I read off the side here, and it also says ground pumice and Epsom salt provide effective exfoliation to help clear away dry dead skin, and coconut and castor oils restore moisture and keep feet soft. As a ritual, add a small scoop of lemongrass and rosemary foot scrub to a bowl of warm water for a soothing bath soak. I like that. I really like that. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got something really heavy. It's a shower oil, and this is by the brand Wild Heart Organics, and this is Revive, and it contains eucalyptus, lemongrass, rosemary, and it's made with 100% essential oils, 95% organic, and there's 100 mils here. See there? Look how smart that is. That is so lovely. A keepsake bottle there, and you can just take the little label off the back. That is so nice, isn't it? Oh, it's got a little stop here. Oh, it's coming. Yeah. Okay, so it's just shower oil. Oh, it's just so nice. The lemongrass isn't as strong in this shower oil. It's quite fruity as well. So this will cost you £18. A beautiful luxury shower oil, an energizing blend of eucalyptus, lemongrass and rosemary, layered with sweet basil, cypress and zesty lemon. Also perfect for morning or early evening bathing. Just add a few splashes into running water, and as a ritual, gently rub a small amount onto your body before showering for a luxury shower experience. That sounds gorgeous, doesn't it? No, and that bottle as well. Next we've got a drink, and this says Glow on it. Wow, okay. This is 100% natural ingredients by the brand Meda, and it says Glow. 15 micrograms of liposomal CBD, elderflower and lime flavour, and biotin and olive leaf. But it is for your skin. It's a drink for your skin. You see all the ingredients. Wow. Wow, before I try it, how much is it? So to buy 6 of these cans in a pack, it would cost you £18. Take a daily dose to nourish your skin from within. Enjoy this unique blend of natural active ingredients to help nourish and strengthen your skin. Okay. It tastes like a fizzy tea. It just seems like a really natural alternative type of drink that has all the ingredients to help your skin. I'll drink that afterwards. So there's that. What have we got here? Nourished, the Inner Peace Stack. I read that as sock. Inner Peace sock. No, it's not a stack. Relieve stress, reduce blood pressure, improve sleep. Oh, sounds perfect for me. Plastic-free, sugar-free and vegan. What, you eat them? A carefully selected combination of 7 micronutrients and superfoods to support your mental health. Look at them. What on earth are these? Oh wow! Look! Oh my gosh. Aren't they cool? Aren't they cool? So how many's in there? So there's 7 of these in here, and there's a little leaflet in there telling you all about it. It's an award-winning nutrition, and it's truly personalised. Let me I'll read these, what it says. So this is a weekly dose. For a monthly dose, it'll cost you £29.99. So it works out to be, what, £7.50, £8 a week this box is worth. A carefully selected combination of 7 micronutrients and superfoods to support your mental health. Take 1 plant-based gummy daily. These gummies help to reduce stress, assists with lowering of your blood pressure, and encourages improved sleep. If you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications or medical supervision, please contact your doctor or healthcare professional before use. I love the idea of these. Got a list of what it contains. It contains B12 to improve energy and mood, milk thistle for detoxification and liver health, CoQ10 immunity and cognitive function, hydrocurse or hydrocurc, I'm not sure, anti-inflammatory, tart cherry, recovery and antioxidant, ashwagandha, stress relief and clarity, and then maca powder, concentration and libido. These sound absolutely amazing, don't they? Oh, I really hope I can take them. I really do hope. I'm going to have a look to see if they counteract with any of the medication I'm on. Yeah, relieve stress. Who doesn't want to relieve stress? I certainly do. So I can't wait to try that. I think that's brilliant. I'm not going to try one. I was going to try one. So I'll pop them back in. So there's that. Next we got a B12 spray, and this is by Better You, and it's a 12 Boost Vitamin B12 Daily Oral Spray, and it contains 1200 UG methylcobalamin. I think I said that right, per serving. A convenient way to maintain vitamin B12 levels for the support of energy production. There's 48 daily doses here. Now this is something I take. I've always struggled with a low in range but right at the bottom of the range B12, and sprays are the only thing that works. I have absorption issues with my gut, so for vitamins and minerals they don't always absorb well, so sprays are the way to go. They just absorb better and they go straight into your system. Just spray it on your tongue and just leave it there for a little while, and you just take 4 sprays of these daily. So to buy this it'll cost you £11.95. It says the Better You spray is an effective aid to normal psychological functions, expertly blended to help boost energy levels. It also contributes to normal functioning of the nervous system, red blood cell formation, and supports the normal function of your immune system. So yeah, so you've got a B12 spray. Next we've got a sweet treat, and this is by the brand Love Raw, and it contains 2 chocolate butter cups cookie dough. It's vegan, 100 calories per cup, and no artificial nonsense. Gonna have to try. There. So is it peanut butter, is it? Oh, cookie dough. I think I've had these before, but with peanut butter. Oh, that is so nice. So nice. It's really tasty. Oh, I like that. It's got a tiny bit of salt in there as well. It's so good. The pack of 2 would cost you £1.99. It says these vegan cookie dough chocolate cups are perfect with a cuppa or on the go. They are covered in organic fair trade chocolate and filled with delicious nut butters containing no palm oil, no artificial nonsense and no nasty compromise. Try not to gobble them up too quickly. And lastly in the box we got a face cream, and this is by the brand Narcan, natural anti-aging active dew face cream for normal to dry skin. We got 50 mils here. That fits my skin brilliantly actually. I'd say normal combo, so yeah, normal to dry would be fine. It says here, use this moisturizer to quench, infuse and defend skin. The intense blend of nourishing actives assists with skin recovery and provide long-lasting hydration. Botanical and biohyaluronic acid work with pomegranate, baobab and argan oil to build strength, protect from stress and soothe away signs of aging. Again, nice packaging, very simple. Ooh, that's a nice thick cream. No smell as such. I'll try a little bit on my hand. Oh, it feels lovely. Yeah, that does feel really, really nice. It feels like it's leaving like a nice soft film over my skin. It's quite thick. It's not absorbing into my skin fast, but it just feels really, really luxurious and nice and soft and fresh. I'm showing you my hand. There's nothing to see really, is there? Now that is lovely. So to buy this cream it'll cost you £20, and then it goes into telling you what I read on the back of the packaging, and it says start and end the day with a special rich and long lasting natural face moisturiser, the perfect day cream for summer. So yeah, so those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and then I'll add them all up and I'll be back. So I'll just go through them one by one, showing you what I received in this month's box. So we got a week's worth of nourished supplements. We got a skin glowing drink by Mida. Got an active dew face cream by Narcan or Narcan. Got a Better You B12 spray. We've got an Isla Apothecary Renewing Foot Treatment. We got a Love Raw Buttercups. And lastly, we got a Wild Heart Organics Shower Oil. So the cost of this bi-monthly box is £35. The total value of the contents inside this box comes to around £80. Again, I really like it. I really, really like this box, and I like the fact that it's all to do with your whole well-being, especially those supplements. I can't wait to look into it a little bit more and see, especially if I can have them or not. That foot treatment as well, and the shower oil. It's just all luxurious, isn't it? It's just all lovely, luxurious treats. So for me personally, this is a box I do think that is worth £35. It is a little bit pricier than some other boxes out there, but I think for the value and the quality of the products that you do receive, I am impressed with it. I am. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts though. What do you think of this box? Is it a box for you? Are you watching this wondering if it is for you or not? Or do you subscribe to this box? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you to the Natural Wellness Box for sending this box out to me, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.